Hi, this is my Einhell chainsaw. It had to happen at one point, the blade got scratched. It sure happened while cutting all these branches. This is when I realized the blade scratched, the chain got cut in there. This may have happened for the following reason. The chain was too loose. So when it's too loose, it also goes like that and doesn't cut good. Also, it could catch branches under here and it's hard to drag it out. So increasing the tension, it's better than having it too loose. We are going to try and cover it using this spray. The color should be also gray, like this one. First we are going to disassemble the chain. As you see on this Einhell, it's pretty easy. Forgot to remove the tension from the chain. Bit tricky taking out. Should work like this. It's pretty simple now. Just going to remove the chain with one hand. Be more careful here and not cutting it. So now we are going to go and tape this before we spray it. We are going to try a triangle there. It's also on the other side. Also, we have to be very careful to not push any spray in the channel. So I will return after we put some cover on this. The paint should match the one on this car. I'll show you a spot right here. You can see it. It's not perfect, but hope on the blade it will just cover it to not be that black visible. Okay, we applied the tape. We put it in vertical position. Before we spray, do this for 25 minutes. We already did this. Now we are going to try from a very far distance. Okay, from the other side, same trick. We did it better from here. We are just going to let it dry and try again later for a second layer. Okay, my mistake, I said 25 minutes to agitate the spray. I refer to the second layer of paint. This should be done only 1 minute or two. We are going to start from the other side because we applied worst here. Also the distance should be around 20 centimeters. Let's try now. Trying to focus. Okay, and from this side, as you see, it's a lot better. I think that's just perfect. We are going to let it dry now and just see it after. Okay, the paint has dried now. We are going to try and remove the tape. Try from the top first. very slowly. Okay, from the other side, let's see how it looks. Okay, as you see, it just covered it. It's not the same color, but I think it's perfect. It's very least visible now. We are going to put the chain and see how it looks after. This is the final product. As you see, in pure light is barely noticeable. If you enjoy our video, please consider subscribing. If not, just leave a like or a comment. And see you with the next video.